Let me hit you with a truth that might make you uncomfortable. There are people in India earning 3 to 5 lakhs per month, still stressed, still scared, still one emergency away from panic. And there are people earning 40 to 50,000 a month, sleeping peacefully. So today's question is simple. Why does money remove stress for some people and multiply stress for others? Stay till the end, because if you understand this one idea, it will change how you look at money forever. Most of us were taught the wrong definition of wealth. We think wealth means a big salary, a luxury car, a fancy house, Instagram lifestyle. That's not wealth. That's noise. Real wealth is simple. When your money works harder than you do. When your income keeps coming even if you stop working. When your monthly income is greater than your monthly expenses. That's it. No motivation quotes, no hustle porn, just math. Let me give you 2 Indian-style examples. Person A earns 3 crores a year, lives in a metro city, big EMI, big lifestyle, big pressure. One bad year, one job loss, one market crash, panic mode. Person B earns 6 to 7 lakhs a year, lives modestly, low expenses, invests consistently, has fixed income plus market investments. Guess who sleeps better? Money doesn't remove stress. Bad money habits create stress. Here's the definition of rich that actually matters. Passive income is greater than monthly expenses. If your expenses are 50,000 and your investments generate 60,000, you are rich, even if society doesn't clap for you. Wealth is silence, not showing off, not proving anything. Here's where most people mess up. They chase side hustles before fixing their main hustle. Let me be blunt. One strong skill beats 5 weak side hustles. Find one thing you're naturally good at, that society pays for, that has long-term demand. Then go all in. In India, being top 5% pays more than being average in 10 things. Side hustle culture sounds sexy, but for most people, it's distraction. If you invest the extra 10 to 20% energy into your main skill, your income grows faster. Side hustles are for exploration, not escape. If you hate your main job so much you need 5 side hustles, change the main job. Markets will crash, companies will fail, people will betray. You can't control that, but you can control how much you spend, how much you save, and how early you invest. Stop trying to impress people who don't pay your bills. Let me tell you a classic mistake. First bonus, first big salary, first instinct, upgrade lifestyle. Car, phone, brand clothes. But if you invest that money early, compounding turns small discipline into massive freedom. Time is your biggest advantage. If you invest 10,000 rupees per month from age 25, by 45, you're financially free. If you start at 35, you'll work 10 years extra. Same effort, different start time. Time is brutal and generous. Parents spend lakhs for status education, but forget investment education. Instead of spending everything on lifestyle, what if you invested consistently? Financial security beats social approval every single time. Never bet your entire future on one thing, one stock, one business, one idea. Diversification is not boring, it's protection. You don't need to be a hero, you need to survive long enough to win. Psychology matters. Losing money hurts more than gaining money feels good. That's why smart people protect downside first. Index funds, ETFs, long-term thinking. Here's the part no one talks about. Wealth is a people game. Opportunities come through humans. Be reliable, be generous, be high character. People invest in people before ideas. There are 3 things in life: Things you have to do, things you want to do, things you should do. Financial freedom deletes the should bucket. That is real luxury. I know how to make you wealthy. The bad news is, it's slow. The good news is, it works. Focus, discipline, time, diversification, character. If this video changed how you think about money, subscribe. Because the goal isn't to look rich, the goal is to sleep peacefully. And that is real wealth.